Thank you so much, yes. You're right in direction. Welcome you to Cagliari, Elmas Airport. The time here is just approaching now 10 o'clock. For your comfort, especially for your safety, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt securely fastened to the aircraft's capture components and final stop. The fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off and the main door in the front of the cabin has been opened clear. Please do exercise extreme caution with opening the overhead compartments as your carry-on luggage may have been dislodged during flight, pull-outs and cause injury to the passengers. For those of you who would want, please refrain from doing so until you reach your well-designated smoking area outside the terminal building. If you wish to rent a car, we do recommend Heritage or car rental partners, and they offer great discounts to all riding passengers. Heritage rates a location in the main arrival hall. Finally, on behalf of the captain of the first officer, but especially all our cabin crew this morning, it's certainly been a pleasure to look after you. And we just hope to see you on our riding schedule service in the very future. Wishing all a very safe forward journey and enjoy the pleasant stay in the local area from all of us on board. Thank you and have a very good day. Signore e signori, benvenuto all'aeroporto di Cagliari. Elmas, avete regolati i volti d'orologi, sono le ore 9:59 minuti primi. Chiediamo cortesemente di rimanere seduti con le cinture allacciate. Fino a quando l'aereo avrà raggiunto la fase finale di parcheggio e il segnale luminoso delle cinture di sicurezza verrà spento. Vi preghiamo di fare attenzione alla fila dei carabinieri, quando i vostri bagagli potrebbero cadere. Preghiamo di tenere i telefoni cellulari spenti e di non fumare fino a quando l'aereo avrà raggiunto la fase finale